Every morning before dawn, dedicated trucks race from the surrounding highland tea estates. Only the finest 2 leaves in a bud plucking standard is accepted at this facility. Each tiny bud tip represents the youngest, most tender growth of the tea plant. Incoming fresh leaf quality is immediately assessed. Coarse mature leaves, stalks, and improperly plucked material are separated and downgraded to lower commercial categories. The Withering Hall is one of the largest single rooms in the entire facility, designed to hold up to 100 tons of fresh leaf simultaneously. The fresh leaves are spread in a uniform layer approximately 8 inches deep across the wire mesh troughs, allowing warm air. Controlled forced air withering progressively removes approximately 30% of the fresh leaf moisture content over a 12 to 18-hour period.
As moisture escapes, the leaf cell walls lose their rigidity, and the leaf becomes soft and pliable. A physical transformation is
operations. The withering process continues uninterrupted through the night, requiring 12 to 18 hours depending on the ambient humidity.
Precise environmental monitoring ensures the withering rate proceeds within the target range, preventing both under-withering, which leaves the leaf. The perfectly withered leaf has lost exactly the correct proportion of its original moisture, achieving the precise softness and pliability.
The rolling room houses 2 fundamentally different processing technologies. The gentle, traditional orthodox roller.
The orthodox roller applies a combination of twisting pressure and eccentric rotation that gently ruptures the leaf cell walls, releasing today. Cell wall rupture is the root to yeast enzymes, particularly oxidase, immediately begin reacting with atmosphere.
The CTC process, standing for crush, tear, curl, subjects the withered leaves to 3 progressively violent
Each successive CTC roller pair reduces the particle size further, while simultaneously maximizing cell wall rupture.
The CTC process completes in under 30 seconds what traditional orthodox rolling achieved in 45 minutes, but
After rolling,
During oxidation, the released polyphenol oxidase enzymes react with atmospheric oxygen, progressively converting the color.
Oxidation room conditions are precisely maintained because temperature and humidity directly control the enzymatic reaction rate, which in turn determines the exact flavor character of the finished tea. The master tea maker's judgment of the exact oxidation endpoint is the single most critical sensory decision in the entire process. The fluid bed dryer is the termination machine, using intense dry heat to instantaneously destroy the oxidation enzymes. The intense dry heat simultaneously destroys all remaining enzymatic activity, permanently halting the oxidation at the exact point determined by the master tea maker. Dryer temperature must be precisely controlled. Too hot creates burnt, smoky off flavors. Too cool results in
The freshly dried tea must be immediately cooled to prevent the retained heat from continuing to develop undesirable toasty over-fired flavors in the finished product.
Final moisture content must not exceed 3%. Higher moisture creates unacceptable mold and fermentation risk during the months of storage and distribution that follow production.
Storages. The dried tea, now permanently stabilized and shelf-stable, enters the sorting department, where it will be mechanically separated.
The experienced supervisor can assess drying quality by the sound, feel, and fracture behavior of the dried particles. Engines. Green tea production follows a fundamentally different path. The fresh leaves are immediately heat-treated to destroy the oxidation enzymes.
Chinese-style pan firing uses direct contact with the hot metal drum surface to rapidly destroy the enzymes, creating
lines. The facility simultaneously produces both black and green tea on separate parallel processing lines, each one optimized.
The sorting department mechanically separates the bulk dried tea into precise commercially defined particle size grades, each one commanding a different market price. Each sieve level generates a different commercial grade. The top sieve collects the largest whole leaf grades commanding particles. Electrostatic separation exploits the physical shape difference between flat leaf particles and cylindrical stalk fragments. Optical color sorting identifies and removes any individual particle that deviates from the target color specification, including overfired. The International Tea Grading System uses standardized terminology: broken orange Pecco, broken Pecco fanning, and
experienced tea graders assess each commercial grade for uniformity of particle size, color consistency, and
absence footprints. The sorted individual origin single-grade tea now proceeds to the blending department, where it will be combined with compatible. Bulk density measurement ensures the graded tea will fill consumer packages to the correct visual level when packed by volumetric filling machines that dispense by volume rather than weight. Each production batch generates multiple commercial grades simultaneously, and every grade must independently meet its own particle size. The blending drum combines precisely calculated quantities of different origin, grade, and season teas to create a The drum rotates slowly for exactly 15 minutes, the internal baffles creating a gentle tumbling action that ensures complete regions. The master tea taster is the most experienced and highly trained individual in the entire facility, possessing the refined palate. The formal tasting protocol uses precisely 5.6 grams of tea per cup, brewed with water at exactly 100. Wet leaf examination reveals oxidation uniformity and processing quality that cannot be assessed from the dry leaf appearance alone, providing essential diagnostic information. The color of the brewed liquor immediately reveals the quality of the tea. A bright coppery red color indicates well-made tea. With the master taster's formal approval, the finished blend is released for consumer packaging of weeks of withering. Each blend approval is a formal quality commitment. The master taster's signature guarantees that every packet filled from this blend. Chemical analysis provides objective numerical verification supporting the master taster's subjective sensory assessment, stabilization. The tea bag production department operates some of the fastest small package machinery in the entire food industry.
Each tea bag receives precisely 2.0 grams of blended tea, dispensed by a computer-controlled volumetric auger that maintains. The modern tea bag machine performs 5 simultaneous operations: forming, sealing, string and tap.
Individual foil overwrapping creates a hermetic aroma barrier around each tea bag, preserving the volatile flavor compounds that would otherwise progressively escape through the porous filter paper. Dozens of parallel machines simultaneously produce millions of individually wrapped tea bags that converge onto shared conveyors for efficient automated loading into retail display cartons. The sealed retail carton provides the final layer of protection and the essential brand communication that connects the factory's creations. The premium loose leaf line packages the highest value whole leaf orthodox grades into elegant printed tin caddies. The precision-fitted tin lid provides an effective aroma barrier, though connoisseurs are advised to consume within 3 months of opening for optimum freshness experience. Pyramid tea bags represent the premium segment, using nylon mesh construction and larger leaf grades to provide a brewing experience closer to traditional loose leaf preparation. Spray drying converts strongly brewed liquid tea concentrate into a fine water-soluble powder that dissolves instantly in cold or hot water without brewing. Each gram of instant tea powder represents the concentrated soluble extract from approximately 10 grams of original dry tea leaf. The ready-to-drink iced tea line serves the rapidly growing consumer segment that prefers convenient pre-made cold tea beverages. Every consumer package is independently weighed and scanned for metallic contamination at full production speed, with instant rejection of any unit failing specification. Statistical random sampling provides continuous human verification that automated packaging systems are maintaining accuracy across all product formats and line speeds. Multiple packaging formats from simultaneous filling lines converge into a single downstream case packing operation for efficient consolidated distribution. Automated case packers handle multiple retail packaging formats, loading tea bag cartons, tin caddies, and instant tea jars into appropriately configured shipping cases. The palletizing algorithm builds optimized layer patterns calculated for maximum transport stability and trailer space utilization. Pre-stretched film creates a rigid transport-ready monolith from individual stacked cases. The label encodes complete contents, weight, lot, and destination tracking information for supply chain visibility. The climate-controlled warehouse maintains thousands of pallets at optimal conditions, protecting the tea from heat and humidity that would degrade flavor. Distribution logistics operate continuously, ensuring fresh tea reaches retail shelves within the shortest possible time frame. Each departing trailer carries enough tea to brew over 10 million individual cups. Tea from this facility reaches consumers in over 40 countries across 6 continents through an extensive global distribution network. From the elevated command center, engineers monitor every withering trough, roller, CTC machine, dryer, and packaging line simultaneously. Dryer temperature directly affects the final dried tea flavor, with subtle changes creating noticeably different taste profiles. The board provides instant overview with immediate flagging of any deviation. CTC roller maintenance maintains the sharp serrated cutting edges essential for consistent particle size and clean cell wall rupture. Structured planning ensures critical withering, rolling, and drying schedules are correctly coordinated. Direct partnerships with source tea estates provide quality feedback that helps estate managers optimize plucking standards and field practices.
We only pluck these 2 leaves and the bud right here.
Understood. We'll calibrate the machines to this specification.
The master taster often returns alone at the end of the day for a quiet final evaluation, ensuring the day's production met their exacting personal quality standard. When darkness falls, the withering process continues uninterrupted through the night. Tea never sleeps. The overnight withering shift is the most critical period, as the majority of controlled moisture loss happens during these quiet, dark hours.
One experienced supervisor monitors the entire withering operation through the night, checking every trough hourly.
Millions of tea bags march toward the warehouse, without human eyes watching. The enormous withering hall glows like a warm lantern in the darkness, the fans eternally turning.
Even in darkness, the facility maintains absolute cleanliness. An eternal river of the world's most consumed beverage flows through the darkness.
From fresh green leaf to a sealed retail packet, the choreography is staggering precision.
Modern engineering has transformed ancient craft tea making into an awe-inspiring industrial operation. One tiny sealed bag, born from 50 million produced today. This mammoth facility stands as a testament to industrial precision.
It all begins here, on the misty green highlands where ancient tea bushes have grown for centuries. Skilled hands pluck only the finest tender shoots.
The factory exists in eternal balance, fresh leaves arriving and sealed packets departing endlessly.
The extraordinary industrial journey culminates in this simple ritual moment, a quiet cup of tea.
And so the eternal cycle begins once more, green leaves entering, the world's most popular hot beverage emerging.
New workers arrive to sustain the perpetual cycle.
From above, the scale is breathtaking. The factory rises from the center of thousands of acres of perfectly manicured tea gardens. The enzymatic oxidation process is where green leaf transforms into dark aromatic tea through nature's own biochemistry.
With every process running, the factory reaches its magnificent potential. From misty highland to factory floor to kitchen table, the world's simplest comfort drink connects billions of daily rituals.
The humble cup of tea, leaves, water, and time. Behind it, a breathtaking global empire spanning